So I'm going to give you a breakdown on how to effectively practice and approach this piece, Bourreé, by George Friedrich Handel. So what you want to do is, I divided up the piece into sections, and you want to practice each section diligently. So first, let's take a look at section A. So what you want to do with section A is you want to practice this until you get the hang of it, and make sure you can get it at a slow tempo, at a very comfortable tempo. If you think it's too slow and you can get it right immediately, you can put it up a notch a bit. Alright? So what you want to do is master each section, and when you've mastered each section, you want to start connecting them slowly. Alright? So in its proper order, of course. So if you want to practice B1, for example, and you've already mastered A, you can start practicing from measure 25, that's section A, and connect it to B1. So this time in this video, I'm only going to play the sections so that you'll have a guide or a play along. And then you'll have an idea later as to how it sounds like when it's connected, alright? So here's section A of Bourreé by George Friedrich Handel. 1, 2, 3. That was section A, and here's section B. 1, 2, 3. So now that you have sections A and B, you don't need to repeat those next few phrases because it's the exact same thing. Kung nakuha mo na siya, move on to the next. Let's start with section C. Here's section C. 1, 2, 3. So notice that in section C, you have a D sharp. A D sharp is simply third finger of A string, but you put it forward a little bit, just a little bit notch from that third finger so that it would be a sharp. So this is D natural, and this would be your sharp. You just put it forward a little bit, alright? So that's section C. You can play it back if you're not sure how it sounds like again. I'm going to proceed to play section B1. Alright, it's the last part that we have not studied here. So here's section B1 of Bourreé. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is how you practice Bourreé. Once you get the hang of each section, you want to start connecting it so that you'll have the whole piece together. Alright, so remember to do this slowly. Also take note of your sharps and make sure that your fingers are placed properly on the fingerboard. No need to squeeze. Remember to always play this relaxed. And of course, be aware always of your bow hold. Alright, thank you and happy practicing.